Cardano hard fork took place on September 12, allowing different kinds of beautiful protocols like DeFi and smart contracts. But one of the beautiful things on the Cardano ecosystem is the decentralized exchange, also known as Cardano DEXs. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best DEXs built on the Cardano network, what decentralized exchange is, why they are specifically extremely valuable. Then we'll take a look at how they work, the best features, and all the details you need to know to have a clearer view which one of them is going to be the number one DEX. The way decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap and Uniswap operate is totally different from centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. In decentralized exchanges, they are not in custody of your money. All you have to do is to connect your wallet to it. The wallet could be a hardware wallet, maybe like a ledger. So your money stays in your own wallet, which is connected to the decentralized exchange. But in a centralized exchange, they will provide you with a wallet which your money will be in, and they are in custody of your money. To give you a clearer example of what I'm saying, if you place a buy order of $20,000 worth of ADA in an exchange for 20,000 worth of USDC, it will go through the order book in the DEX. Smart contract will execute the order. The buyer and the seller will be matched. Now the money in the buyer's wallet will be swapped with the seller's wallet. Once this is done, the trade is done. But in a centralized exchange like Coinbase, Binance, and Gemini, they are in custody of your money. Take a look at it this way. If you keep your property in a storage facility, that storage facility are the ones in custody of your property at that moment. And if that storage facility gets robbed and your property is not insured, there is high tendency you are not going to get your property back. Now, centralized exchanges, they experience hack, and this causes customers to lose their money. In 2019, Binance was hacked and they lost over $40 million. And also in the same 2019, an exchange located in Japan called BitPoint also lost over $30 million from series of hacks they experienced. To explain this further, if you place a buy order of 20,000 tokens of ADA, the Binance order book will match you with a seller who wants to sell 20,000 tokens of ADA. The transaction will be done and Binance will make good amount of money from the fees from the exchange. The best part of using a decentralized exchange is because it is cheaper and you don't need an intermediary or a middleman to perform transaction. It is also more safe compared to a centralized exchange. Why decentralized exchanges are extremely valuable is because some of them have what is called ERC20 bridge, which are found to be like really pretty cool, and I will explain it further in this video as I go in depth. They also have their own tokens people can buy, invest, and facilitate trades. The good thing about these DEXs is their tokens haven't even come out yet, and this will help people to be able to invest in it earlier in order to reap profits. The first Cardano DEX in the list is Cardex. Their system allows users to trade ADA for any Cardano native token. Cardex developed a protocol called EAMM, Extended Automated Market Maker, which they claim is better than the order book AMM used by Uniswap and PancakeSwap. The AMM protocol used by Uniswap, the Cardex team says that it could cause a problem known as slippage. Slippage happens when a trader have to settle for a different price than they initially requested due to the movement in price between the time the order enters the market and execution of the trade. With EMM protocol, Cardex will minimize the slippage that occurs in Uniswap and also in PancakeSwap. Their tokenomics is a bit reasonable. A total of 1 billion CDS token is the mass supply. The team will be allocated with 20%, then the advisors will be allocated with 5%. There will be a 0.35% fee for swapping tokens. 0.30% will be split by liquidity providers proportional to their contribution to liquidity reserves. The remaining 0.05% will go to Cardex. Their roadmap have some important information about the desk. We start from Q2 2021 to Q4 2021. So the Q2 2021 is about the architecture and user interface, which they have completed, and also the EMM protocol, which they have also completed, the front end and back end development, Bluetooth smart contracts and deployment, code review and security audit. And by Q4 2021, which is supposed to start I think next month, the DEX will go live, and I think a lot of people will be waiting on this. The next Cardano DEX on the list is SundaeSwap, and SundaeSwap is unique and different from other DEXs. I've heard a lot of people say that SundaeSwap website looks like a bit like a cartoon, but I don't think that really matters, because what really matters is what functionalities can SundaeSwap offer to people. With SundaeSwap, you'll be able to swap, stake, lend, and also borrow your tokens all in a decentralized way. SundaeSwap is the most popular among all the DEXs with over 145,000 followers on Twitter. They did a test of their DEX on the testnet, which was successful. On the day the Alonzo hard fork went live, the SundaeSwap team did technical updates on their smart contracts, scalability, and also prototyping wallet integration. On their roadmap, they have something that I like: limit orders, direct swaps, and something they call extra toppings. I don't really understand what that extra topping means, but to me it just sounds more like as if when you are adding like an extra cherry on a cake. The SundaeSwap token is not available yet. They will use a system they call ISO, initial stake offering. This is the only way you are going to be able to get the SundaeSwap tokens. What happens here is that you will stake your ADA token in their staking pool. You will get the SundaeSwap token as a reward. This is a new system that is strange, and also I find it to be unique. Their tokenomics system, a lot of people find it to be strange because 55% for the public and 45% for the team. People feel it's a bit too much, and you can also follow them at Reddit, you can follow them at Twitter, you can even follow them at Medium. They release articles on Medium. You will be able to find out when they are going to be able to start their stake pooling. The next DEX is EgoDex, and the DEX is built on Ego. And Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, was asked what he thinks about Ego. He said they had productive collaboration, and he also praised the Ego team for having great plans for the DEX. The relationship that Ego and Cardano is having is definitely going to benefit the team. EgoDex uses the AMM protocol and order book protocol. AMM protocol being the basic way you can swap your tokens in a decentralized exchange. Order book protocol is the basic way used by centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. They said decentralized order book will be coming soon, which I really find new and unique. On their roadmap, they have 6 stages, have completed stage 1 to 3 tasks. Yet to complete stage 4 to 6, still have a lot to do though. There's not much information about their initial coin offering or sale, as people will benefit from the DEX services. Liquidity providers will benefit from the protocol fee, and also the DEX will benefit from transaction fees. Many people seem to actually like this idea more. ADAS has one of the most beautiful unique features that is different from other DEXs, called the ERC20 bridge. The ERC20 bridge is a token that is used for issuing and creating smart contracts on the Ethereum network. The ERC20 converter means that people can easily convert their ERC20 token over to Cardano with just few clicks to benefit from lower fees. Then later they can convert their ADA back to ERC20 to use on the Ethereum network if they choose to. ADAs have already launched their tokens, which you can buy from an exchange called the ES Market. This is the only exchange that have listed it. You wouldn't be able to find others in any of the exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. The next DEX is MemSwap. They have a fair launch for their token with no pre-mile, no pre-sale. The only way to get the meme token is by participating in the protocol or airdrop. They have total of 5 billion meme. 78.5% will be for the community, 21.5% will be for the team. They have beautiful ERC20 converter, which is cool. People can easily convert their ERC20 token over to Cardano in order to transact at lower fees. You can earn reward through liquidity pools and extra reward by using the yield farming. Meme token is rewarded to liquidity providers who stake their liquidity pool tokens. The last DEX on the list is YesSwap. For some reasons, I just like the name. I can't really explain it, but it just gave me that feeling of just saying, yeah, just in a relaxed mode. They also have the ERC20 converter or the ERC20 bridge, which you can easily convert your ERC20 token over to Cardano. They charge 0.25% swap fees plus Cardano transfer fees. They have 100 million total supply here, with 56 million to be distributed and 8 million for the team. Their early users will be rewarded, and you have the ability to swap ADA for YET tokens. This is where I'm going to wrap up today's videos. Which of these DEXs do you feel or do you think will come out to be the one on top? Just make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and make sure you comment. I always appreciate it. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who loves to talk about crypto and who loves to talk about his own idea. Just try your best out there to make your own research. Just remain blessed and have a great day.